Have a little stream to cross here. Well, this has more water than normal. So we are at the International Harvester Lakeland Park. It has lots of trails that loop around the park so that you can get in several miles of practice while you're trying to prepare for a hike, like we're preparing to hike in New Hampshire next month. And it's, what, 85 out here?
I think so, yeah.
And very humid, but right now it's kind of muddy and slippery. And have a little stream to cross here. Well, this has more water than normal.
Yeah, a little bit.
And a little bit of a climb out of the stream. And cobwebs again. There's a lake in this park that I guess normally you can fish at, but it happens to be closed right now.
They just added fish 2 days ago.
There's a pretty lake that's out in the open with a paved trail around the lake. And then there's these trails in the woods that give you a chance to get a little hiking practice.
Tom and I have fallen on this spot.
Oh yeah, it's pretty steep. I don't know if you can tell how steep it is, but
Right after a good rain.
so we're reaching the far end of the park here, and then we'll loop around and come back. We're at the far west side of the park, and they're walking along an old road here, and this will come out on the pipeline. It's kind of a wide grassy area. Come out of the woods and onto the pipeline. So it's wide open and grassy, and the trail goes through here. However, it's raining, so
Here it is. Managerial Park Lake.
there's some ducks in the pond over there. A lot of times people fish on that embankment to the left. We've got a nice fountain, and we just hiked down this trail and back up through the woods a little bit to the parking lot. We found a turkey buzzard up here. He's eating something. Not too concerned about us. It is pouring. I don't know if you can tell. And the buzzard is still there. That's what he was picking at. An old dead fish bones. And it's pouring, so I can't film very long, but man, look at the size of that thing. There's the lake down there, and we came up the paved walkway past the building and back to our cars. It's sprinkling now. Not too bad, but I'm pretty soaked. That's okay though, because it was kind of hot, so it cooled us down. So, we'll see you next time.